Hello, everybody. I am making this follow-up video because I just posted a video about the situation where an expat uses the exclusion to exclude the income, and when they do that, they miss out on your child tax credit if they have children with U.S. Social Security numbers. And I thought that I should have explained something else so that to make things clear. Everything I said in that video is correct, but there is always nuance in taxes. So I wanted to fill that gap with this video. This is not tax advice. Everybody's special when it comes to tax. These forms I will show you are for illustration only. Do not use this form as a template to prepare your return, because you might have to include things that I haven't included. And also I prepared these forms, used to show the working of the exclusion versus the credit. There are more things involved in that, in the preparation of both of those forms. So first, in the original video, I said that if somebody, and you have to watch that video to understand this video. I said that if a US expat living outside the US might get up to 1,400 credit per child, and the example I used was 1 second. Somebody, oh, let me share the screen. Oh, I think I'm gonna share it here. So the example I use, oh, let me, this is my email in case you want to write to me. And this is my Facebook group. You can join and you can find me and you can write me a message. I can talk to you for a few minutes and no charge if you want. So let's see here. Oh, man. So what I showed in the previous video was this, that with 2 children, an expat could qualify for $2,800 child tax credit. The nuance here is that I choose an arbitrary amount of salary of 25,000. And what I want to show you is that there is a threshold, there is a formula to calculate the child tax credit. The child tax credit is 15% of your earned income over $2,500. So if you only may say $2,000 of earned income, you will get 0, because there is no income, earned income over $2,500. Therefore, even if you have children, you got 0. So I pick, for example, the sweet spot for somebody with 2 children to get the full 2,800 is this. 2,800 divided by 15. Divided by 15 because the credit is 15% of the earned income over 2,500. So if you make earned income of 21,166, you get the whole 2,800. In this case, for example, I pick 21,163 to show you that the credit already went down by $1 because, is that the formula. Okay, so that's the one example. Another example is even with 2 children, if the taxpayer only had, in this case, 11,833, the credit would only be 1,400. Why? Because you take 1,833 minus 2,100. Sorry. What am I doing? Minus 2,500. And then from that, you take 15%, and then you get 1,400. Okay, so and then another example I have is, I'm sorry if this is on the way here. So for this person, 16,500 minus, there is a floor. And then from that, you take 15%. So with 2 children, if somebody only earned 16,500, they will still get the credit, but it wouldn't be the 2,800 I sent the first video. So this is what I want to clarify that in here. And so it's not as simple as claiming 1,400 per children. You have to calculate how much you actually are entitled to. There are some forms to file and so on. There is, for 2021, related to this, there is the advanced child tax credit that some people are getting because, you know, the government wants people to have money. So if you live in the US and you have children, you probably getting 250 per child or 300 per child if the child is under 6 years old. When I read the law, my interpretation is that for 2021, this requirement of the floor of 2,500 and the requirement of having earned income is suspended, meaning people without income will still get, not only they will still get the credit, they will get an increased amount of credit. Unfortunately, the way I read that is that it only applies for people living in the US, okay? So for expats, as of now, my understanding is these rules of the floor of 2,500 and having earned income still applies to expats. This is an ongoing issue. For example, Democrats abroad are trying to move Congress to fix this and make the same conditions applies to everybody, but we don't have it now. So maybe by the time the next tax season comes, maybe this will be the case. But as of now, for 2021, you need to have earned income if you're an expat. Since that video I was making didn't apply to 2021, it applied to 18, 19, and 20, maybe 17. These rules are certain. You have to have earned income and there is a floor, so there's a formula. It's earned income, okay? So interest don't count, unemployment don't count, and pensions don't count. So, you know, this is a little bit more nuanced, but this is why I offer a free consultation so that, you know, one, you do claim a benefit that you're entitled to, but two, you don't claim a benefit you are not entitled to and then have to pay it back later on top of penalties, okay? I show my email again and my Facebook group. So, you know, send me an email and I'm glad to talk to you, and share this video with somebody else who you think might benefit from it. Until next time, bye-bye.